How you doing, sir?
Hey,
How's it going? My name is Miles. Left the key on the where?
no, the key is here, but the battery is dead.
Oh,
so
that.
I can't-
Oh, okay, I got you.
Got it. It's good. No. Yep.
There we go. Yeah, my man got his own jump starter. Turn it over for you. All right. Do you have the key fob with you? Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, yeah. There we go. Yeah. Let me know when to go.
Okay, go ahead.
All right. There you go. All right. Cool. Awesome, man.
Man, I appreciate it.
All right. Have a good one, boss.